Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. This is your paper deal for the week of November the 2nd to the 8th. But the first thing we're going to talk about over at Walgreens is Halloween. And on Monday evening around 6 o'clock, even though some of these items were appearing at only like 60% off, if you put them into a cart, they were actually ringing up 90% off. So you're going to have to fiddle and fart around with the app a little bit. I'm not sure if this is going to translate in store on Tuesday, or will it be 80 in store but curbside 90, or is the 90 only going to be at select stores? But I looked at about 3 or 4 different stores near me, and these goofy 90% off prices keep showing up online. In store, this is where it really stumped me up. The signs were saying that these prices at 60% would stay until like the week before Thanksgiving, but that is really not the case. I did pick up one of those cute little ghosts and a Hello Kitty, and it was like $7. And then another item that I put in my cart got canceled, so sucks to be me, but I'm happy to have these two so cheap. Remember, you have to store them, so if you don't have a ton of room, this might not be the thing for you. And they are trying to make room for Christmas, so it makes sense that they would go to 90 this quick. It's probably going to go from Tuesday right to Saturday, and then they're going to box everything up and send it back to head office. But to see it 90% that quickly, even online, absolutely fantastic. To figure this out in store, obviously look for signage or grab a couple things and ask for a price check from the cashier. And I would head out at the crack of crow, especially if I've been looking at that Hello Kitty since probably August. So to finally get it for $4, it's completely what it's about. Here's the weirdest thing. A lot of this stuff was ringing up 90%, and a lot of it was still 60%, or it was ringing up 75%, which is really odd. But then some of the candy was 90 as well. It was really odd. And then don't forget lots of nail products, beauty products, and then like little cups and stuff. Ask for price checks, especially if you're going to go in store. Yes, you can use Register Rewards. Yes, you can use Walgreens Cash to pay this down. But I would definitely either put in an order curbside, see what they might have, or go to the store and ask for specific price checks on items that you're seeing that's ringing up for 90. Don't be shy. Be super nice to the employees, and they will work with you. Okay, so the first deal we're going to talk about, we're doing this curbside, meaning you're ordering this stuff through the app, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up, and that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup. So that is deal number 1. Have this booster, which is a 5-back when you buy anything in store. It's valid right till the 8th. If you want to throw it in any of these transactions, it's an extra $5 for you on any transaction. And yes, you can use Walgreens Cash. It's just to do the transaction. It's fantastic. So we're going to utilize it for this first one. We're going to be grabbing 8 of the Walgreens bathroom tissues. This is very similar to Angel Soft. They're $3.99. Alternatively, there's also a paper towel that's also $3.99. You need 8 of them to make it $31.92. Now, there is some discount codes that you can throw into the mix, and it is sale 15 to save an additional $4.80. So you're getting a little bit more than 1 for free with that code. So I am not complaining too much about it. It's much better than WAG 10. If you can't get it to apply, log out, log back in, and it should work for you. The overall total for your basket is $31.92. So that code will work. We have a little bit of tax. Curbside pickup is free. So the total is $28.75. If you have that $5 one, I already used mine. And with all of this Walgreens stuff, you're getting an extra like 1% or whatever. So you're going to get $6.55 back, which isn't bad. And yes, you can use up to $20 of Walgreens Cash. As that $5 one, it breaks every single rule. So if you have one, you are the lucky. The rest of the deals we're going to be doing in store. Again, if you have that weird booster, it's of a one-time use, definitely for the paper. So the paper this week for Scott, it's buy one, get one 50% off and a $2 register reward when you purchase 4. Unfortunately, we don't have any digital coupons to go with this. So dealer's choice, I probably myself 4 of the toilet papers. Not too fancy about their paper towel, but I do like that toilet paper. So don't forget, you're going to get a register reward. So I would ask the cashier, like, hey, is that machine printing? Or listen, is it printing when another customer hops ahead of you? It's always a smart thing just to ask, like, hey, is that on, or are they having issues? Because the cashier will know. 4 of these is 15, guys. Getting back a $2 register reward. It's 13 for the 4, or $3.25 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And if you have that stupid booster, the 5 back when you buy any, yes, you can use Walgreens cash for that one. It is the exception, not the rule, and it should work for you. And it'll make this extra cheap. And if you have register rewards, say from Garnier or Tresemme, throw it in for lesser out of pocket. The next deal that we're looking at, it's a 5 back when you buy 4 Bounty, Charmin, or Puffs products. I would really go for a mix of either the Charmin Essentials or the Puffs. And that $5 register reward is really fantastic. So just a really basic deal. 4 of these is $21.96. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $16.96 for the 4, or $4.24 per unit. Again, if you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Throw in any register rewards that you might have, because I think that's definitely the way to go. Alternatively, Walgreens cash as well, if you're just doing this deal on its own. And I would grab the Puffs because I just would. Cold and flu season is right around the corner. I think it's smart. Deal that we're going to look at is with the Brawny or Angel Soft at $6.99. The original price is $8.99. And these rolls are massive. So it's like it says 2 equals 6. So you're getting quite a bit. $3 reward when you buy 2. Currently, we have $1 and a 50 center for either the Angel Soft, or I think it's $1 for the Brawny. I would grab 2 of the Brawnies for $13.96. They're $6.99 a unit. Subtracting that $1.50 of digital coupons, the easiest way to see, like, hey, are the coupons attaching? Throw 2 into a digital cart and see what's happening. Remember, you're doing this deal in store because it's involving a register reward. You'll pay $12.48, get back a $3 register reward, making it $9.48 for the 2, or $4.74 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. If you might have other register rewards as well, I would definitely throw it into the mix so you're paying a lot less. And yeah, go make this deal happen, especially those Brawnies. If you have animals, those rolls last a good long time. That's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.